how's it going? Welcome back to Chivo Garage. In this one, we're back on the P38 and we're looking to change the bonnet. We decided we want to keep this in the house, maybe as a bit of wall art or something. So we're putting a standard bonnet back on because we did this custom graphic for the Road to Ruin Festival in 2019 and we want to keep it about. So let's crack on, eh? Now, the replacement bonnet we bought, it wasn't expensive. It was £160 delivered. £60 of that was just the delivery, and it was in decent condition, so I can't really knock it too much. Not perfect, but I mean the car's 20 years old anyway, so it's not the end of the world. Now the thing is, that bonnet came with no of the ancillaries, so we need to look at like the washer jets, the props, the latches, everything. So we're going to start by taking off some of the easy stuff. Now I think the washer jets are going to be easier to take off with the bonnet off and on the ground, so we're just going to pop them off with this hose here. Oh, that was stubborn. So that's one thing. Next we have the latches and the gas struts. I'm going to leave the gas struts till last. Hang on, let's take you off the stand. So we have this catch, the central secondary catch, this catch, gas strut there, gas strut there, hinges at the back on both sides, and that should be it. Now we've done the easy bit, disconnecting that washer pipe. There we go, bonnet fitted. Just need to pop the latches and ancillaries on. I'll do them and have another test close. Catch you in a few. There we go, all buttoned up, one bonnet swap complete. Wasn't too bad, a couple of hours start to finish at most. That was taking it leisurely. And there we go. It wasn't too bad actually. I think with it having fairly big panel gaps and stuff and lots of bolting points, everything seemed to line up pretty well. Quite pleased with that. Just needs a really good clean now. So cheers. Catch you in the next one.